Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on mobile web secrets. So today we'll be going through why is it so important for you to have your website, your mobile website especially, to be done correctly. So the typical traffic that you are going to get, right? Let's say it's going to be on Facebook. So right now this is my Facebook account. So you can let me just search for one of the ads that will bring me to a page. So, okay, so let's say this is Ryan Levinsky. I'm also like a great follower of his Ask Method, right? And I really love his content. And when I click on the Learn More, and it actually opens up as a mobile browser, right, within Facebook. So this is actually how a lot of your traffic is going to experience, right, from your ads in Facebook and then opening up on your site, right, to be able to experience firsthand. So if you look at this Method masterclass, you can see that everything fits nicely within one page on the mobile phone, and then I'll be like, oh, I see the headline very clearly, and then this is click here for instant access with a very nice call to action button, right? That is bright orange, very different from the background that is blue, and this makes it very enticing, right, for me to click on the button, and then this is the next step, and then typically his Ask Method always goes to a whole series of surveys, right, for you to be able to click through, and then he can actually kind of survey you as a customer to see what area can he help you with. This first step is about whether you are just a beginner, are you halfway in, you're kind of like a new startup, you already have some business going on, or are you like a very raving big business. And then he would be able to kind of cater different solutions, right, according to how you answer the question. So let's say for me, I work with a few small clients, and then I'm trying to build up my business, right, to the next step, right, and then step 2, fill out your form, and then you see everything, right, is very fitted within the mobile web space, and then it's very easy for me to just type in over here. You probably see my email address. Yeah, so if you want to spam me, go ahead. This is my kind of like my spam email account. So I just registered a lot of things through this email, and then I received a lot of emails just from everywhere. So continue, you can see that there's a 75% complete. He can't bring you through the different steps. And yeah, take me to the video. Wow, this is really a very nice looking page. And take me to the video. And ooh, and you can see he even did he kind of deliberately even record the video in a very unique kind of aspect ratio. Like normally videos you see on Facebook, right, is going to be square, and on the website, right, it's probably going to be 16:9, which is the typical a video that you see on YouTube. But for his web page itself, right now, when you see on the mobile phone, right, is actually done in a really unique kind of aspect ratio. I don't know what exactly is it, probably 21:9 or something along that line. And you can you can see that there's going to be step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 of 4 different videos that you are going to experience. And the first one is called the Ask Method Phenomenal, and he's going to explain to you all these different things that he's going to tell you, right, to get you to know. First step, download his PDF, or then you can look at the different comments that has been given. So these are kind of social proof to get you buy in, and it's very Facebook like. So I think even Facebook himself likes to show all these comments that is coming in, right, and then this feels like an entire Facebook like experience. And if I download the PDF on the mobile, I can even preview the PDF on the mobile itself. And this is being hosted on Amazon S3. And there's a lot of places that you can host. Maybe Amazon allows it to be straight away loaded. I probably will do a test on whether if I do the file hosting on a Google Drive or on a kind of Dropbox, and let me see whether there's any other services that's out there, right? And how does it load on a mobile website? And this is perfectly done, right? It can even be going through the worksheet on the mobile phone, and as I read through, is if I buy into what he's going to share with me, right, I have taken value from him, I'll be able to go back, and then let's see where does it go, bring me back to. If I press on the back button, yeah, so probably I have to wait to finish the whole movie, right? The whole video that I'm watching here, right, before I'm being moved over to step two. But all in all, this is really a great execution of a mobile ready kind of website, right? And let's see whether I can hunt further to see whether there's a negative example. Unity free on demand webinar. So I'm actually I'm my background, right, is I'm a game developer. So I'm a game designer by training, and later on I became a game producer. So Unity is one of those 3D game engines that I used to use a lot. So that's probably how his ads got to be shown to me lah. And let's just take a look at what his website is going to look like on a mobile phone. And here you just see straight away, right? It's just a whole chunk of text, and I probably won't be able to like have any stir up any emotions of like, oh, this is like if I'm really interested in Unity and learning about this webinar, then probably yes. But on the mobile website, there's actually a lot of things that you can do to kind of like grab attention, and that is really what having a good mobile web design, right, means, and the kind of experiences that you are going to be presenting to your traffic, right, when they come to your website, right, through the mobile phone. And a lot more people, right now, there's statistics, right, where all internet traffic, right, total all in all, right, there's over 50% of people, right, that will actually experience the internet, right, on the mobile phone. And the desktop percentage, right, is just getting lower and lower. I mean, if you go to China right now, right, everything in China, right, is done on the mobile phone. From your payment, like I can go to a store on the street side, right, and then I'll be using my mobile phone, right, to make a payment for like a food that I'm buying, or maybe a souvenir that I'm buying on, like, no, this is physical purchases. And all the like mobile games and like even the internet, right, and a lot of the apps that China is using, right, is like from WeChat and a lot of shopping e-commerce app. It all opens up, right, within the app, right. And then from the app, they'll either open up a in-app kind of pop-up, or then they'll actually come up with like a pop-up browser, right, that actually shows a mobile version of the website. So that's why, right, having a mobile first kind of design, or rather like I wouldn't say mobile first, but it's more like you kind of have to strategize how your website, right, is going to look on the mobile phone, right, and then that is going to give you a lot more leverage on the kind of people, right, that they got attracted on by your app to click on the like learn more button, right, and then the next step that they actually come in, right, is just a really big font, and then this is really not what I'm actually looking for, and then they'll just go back and continue to browse on YouTube, on Facebook. So yeah, so this video, right, is really to showcase, right, why is it so important, right, for you to have your mobile website, right, done right, so that when your traffic comes in from your Facebook ad, right, they actually will at least stay more than 3 seconds and be able to watch through what you are going to offer on your landing page, right, and then at least see through or maybe go to the next step. When you see what you see just now in the first example of Ryan Levinsky, right, he done a really excellent job on how the whole mobile experience, right, is so seamless and is so catered to the whole the amount of real estate that you're going to have on something that's so small and in a vertical kind of format, as compared to when you're on a desktop where you have so many spaces, right, and then you design according to how much your space is able to show like all these different things, whether it's your e-covers and the headlines that you are going to be able to do. And like there's some of these pages where just let me just go and search for one particular example that I recall. There's this really long page kind of funnels where I think it's called traffics and funnels. So let me just for traffic and funnels. Yep. Yep. So this is their landing page. No, this is just their full podcast website. Yeah, there's one of these web page where they are doing a lot of ads on my Facebook that I saw in their when they'll bring me to a page, right, and then it's just a whole list of like long copy, And the long copy way of like doing websites, right? It's just like, you know, right now, on this landing page, it actually looks quite nice. Like you have a great big headline, but then you kind of missed out on the let me in button. So, you know, the first thing that I see, okay, let me just accept the cookie, right? Even without the cookie blocking at the bottom of the screen, I can't even see the first, you know, button that allows me to kind of click to go to the next step in your funnel. So if this page, the moment I landed on it, right, and then like, oh, I just like how we generate high ticket clients, and then that's not me, and then I just don't bother to go click it, or and I'll just go back and maybe I was browsing Facebook and just go back to Facebook and then continue whatever that I'm doing. So this is really just a very quick video, right, to kind of showcase the importance of having a very well thought out mobile web design strategy, right, for you to capture your traffic and don't lose those traffic, right, you know, those precious traffic that you paid for. The moment they click on it, you pay Facebook for that click, and then like all it does is it goes to a website that's so not optimized for their experiences, right? And then like straight away, 3 second rule, I'm gone, and then you lose that traffic forever. And yeah, so this is really if you really think that this video is of value to you, I encourage you to like, you know, just click on subscribe for my YouTube channel. If you are watching this really early, this is really just the beginning of my YouTube video channel, right? And I'm probably below 100 subscribers. And if you are one of those people that helped me to get my first 100 subscribers, right, I really want to thank you very much, right? And for me to get my first YouTube custom URL, I need that 100 subscribers. And if you are one of them, I really, really, really thank you so much for clicking on the subscribe button. Yeah, so hope you like whatever that I'm sharing and look forward to my next video.